Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A luxurious modern house surrounded by a lush forest, featuring a beautiful private swimming pool as its centerpiece. The house combines contemporary architecture with natural materials, using stone columns, floor-to-ceiling glass walls, and a sleek flat roof with a warm wooden underside. The pool area is designed for relaxation, with comfortable outdoor seating, including cushioned sofas and lounge chairs accented by orange pillows, creating a cozy yet stylish atmosphere. The pool itself is spacious, reflecting the surrounding trees and architecture, while underwater lights add elegance and a serene glow. Inside the home, warm lighting enhances the inviting interior, where modern furniture and large curtains provide both comfort and privacy. The seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, through expansive glass sliding doors, allows residents to fully enjoy the beauty of nature while relaxing in a luxurious retreat. A luxurious modern lakeside villa with stunning architectural design. The house features large glass walls, stone accents, and sleek dark panels, seamlessly blending with the natural forest surroundings. Warm ambient lighting outlines the building and deck, creating a cozy yet sophisticated atmosphere as it reflects beautifully on the water. The outdoor space includes an elegant wooden deck with sun loungers, a stylish lounge area, and an infinity-edge pool that connects visually with the lake. Large boulders in the water enhance the natural setting, while the villa's open-plan design allows for a perfect balance between indoor comfort and outdoor relaxation. A stunning modern rooftop terrace overlooking a city skyline. The space is beautifully designed with a mix of natural greenery, colorful flowers, and sleek wooden decking that adds warmth and sophistication. At the center, there are stylish outdoor lounge areas featuring contemporary sofas adorned with vibrant cushions, perfect for relaxation or social gatherings. The terrace is surrounded by lush garden beds filled with lavender, shrubs, and seasonal blooms, creating a serene oasis above the bustling city. The rooftop structure itself has a minimalist yet elegant design, with large sliding glass doors that open into a chic indoor living space. Beyond, the cityscape stretches across the horizon, with tall skyscrapers reflecting the golden glow of the setting sun over the river. This rooftop perfectly blends urban living with natural beauty, offering a private retreat with breathtaking views and modern luxury. A stylish modern outdoor bar seamlessly integrated into a lush, green environment. The bar counter, made of smooth concrete with a warm backlit glow, is paired with contemporary sculptural bar stools that add a touch of artistic flair. Behind the bar, wooden shelves elegantly display a wide selection of liquor bottles and glassware, beautifully accented by decorative plants that bring freshness and vibrancy to the setup. To the right, a striking vertical garden filled with various tropical plants and ferns creates a natural, calming backdrop, blending the space with the surrounding greenery. On the side, a cozy lounge area with cushioned sectional sofas invites relaxation, making it a perfect spot for enjoying drinks in comfort. The combination of modern industrial design elements, warm wooden tones, and abundant greenery gives the space a chic yet organic atmosphere, ideal for social gatherings in a serene natural setting. A luxurious outdoor pool area attached to a modern home with sliding glass doors that open seamlessly to the deck. The pool is finished with shimmering blue mosaic tiles that beautifully reflect the sunlight, creating a refreshing and inviting atmosphere. Surrounding the pool is a polished wooden deck adorned with potted plants and 2 comfortable lounge chairs paired with a small side table, offering the perfect spot to relax. A hanging chair adds a cozy, stylish touch, blending comfort with elegance. Beyond the pool, the setting opens up to a breathtaking view of rolling hills and lush greenery, framed by tall trees that enhance the natural beauty of the landscape. The harmonious balance between the contemporary architecture, the natural surroundings, and the serene pool design makes this space an idyllic retreat for relaxation and leisure. A stunning modern balcony terrace overlooking a vibrant city skyline. The spacious outdoor area is designed with warm wooden flooring and sleek glass railings, providing an open and airy atmosphere. Comfortable beige sofas with plush cushions are arranged around a low black coffee table set on a rug, creating a stylish yet cozy lounging area. On the table are decorative items, a tray with food and drinks, adding a touch of everyday elegance. Large potted plants bring in lush greenery, blending nature seamlessly with the contemporary urban view. In the background, a sleek swimming pool runs alongside the terrace, reflecting the surrounding trees and the clear blue sky. The panoramic cityscape, featuring tall residential and commercial towers, enhances the luxurious and modern ambience, making this terrace an ideal retreat for relaxation or entertaining with a breathtaking backdrop. A charming rustic outdoor patio set against the backdrop of a wooden house. The seating area features wooden framed sofas and an armchair with soft beige cushions, arranged around a large natural stone that serves as a coffee table. The patio flooring is made of irregular stone tiles, adding to the natural and cozy aesthetic. Vibrant flower beds filled with orange, purple, and white blossoms surround the seating space, bringing lively colors and a fresh atmosphere. In the background, a wooden pergola shades a dining table and chairs, blending harmoniously with the weathered wood exterior of the house. The entire setting exudes a warm and inviting countryside charm, perfect for relaxing or entertaining in a beautiful garden environment. A luxurious modern outdoor living space designed in harmony with nature. A sleek wooden deck extends from a contemporary house with large glass sliding doors and a brick wall accent. A long cushioned lounge with patterned pillows sits under a wooden pergola roof, providing a relaxing spot to enjoy the garden. A beautifully arranged stone pathway, bordered with smooth pebbles and lush greenery, leads through the garden. Tropical plants, palm trees, and manicured shrubs create a vibrant, resort-like atmosphere. To the side, another wooden deck features cozy lounge chairs, while decorative stones and natural elements enhance the tranquil, spa-inspired environment. The entire setting blends modern architecture with tropical landscaping, offering a serene and stylish retreat perfect for relaxation or entertaining. A stunning modern outdoor living space that blends luxury with nature. A long sectional sofa with vibrant orange cushions and accent pillows forms the focal point, creating a bold yet inviting seating area. Surrounding the sofa, lush greenery and neatly arranged flowering plants enhance the vibrant and refreshing atmosphere. The design features clean architectural lines, with a mix of glass, wood, and concrete elements. A covered patio with a wooden ceiling and black structural beams extends into the background, connecting seamlessly with the house. To the right, a sleek outdoor bar with stools and a large umbrella offers a perfect space for entertaining. The flooring is a combination of smooth concrete slabs and textured surfaces, with small water features or reflective pools integrated into the layout. Mature trees arch overhead, adding shade and a natural canopy that softens the modern design. Overall, the setting combines contemporary elegance with organic beauty, offering a luxurious retreat ideal for relaxation and social gatherings.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.